blue na, blue na. Can you? Go na.
It has been 20 minutes already?
Yeah. Hi. Coach, go sit over there.
Kuya Jacob is here.
Go sit over there. Over there. Let's go sit there. Go there.
Baby didn't want to go.
Wala ba din?
Maingay dito, kuya. Maingay. Sobra.
Here we go. Right, you have to there. Adrian, ready. Grab it, idiots. Jaden releases now for the ball. Guarding the Bryce.
Hands up! Hands up!
Love it. Rebound Bryce.
Oh, right.
Blue ball.
Come on!
The ball. Good boy. To Bryce. Bryce, tapping the pin. Lead up.
Rebound! Hold it!
Jump ball. Get blue ball. Baseline ball.
Okay, get ready! Get ready!
Go Bryce. I'm in.
Push! That's your ball, Bryce!
Jaden releases now, controlling the
Hands
ball.
up! Hands up!
Hands
Hands up!
No, Richie, no.
Hands up!
Bryce. Dominic Gaetano. Nice big move. Lead up. Passing to Dominic Gaetano. 2-0. By Red.
Get ready!
Jaden releases now, controlling the ball.
Good check! Hands up! Hands up!
Yes. Back to back by Rick Pitt. 4-0 now.
Go, boy.
Let's go!
Oh, it's not a shooting foul?
Nandiyan na sa interview. So, minutes. May nakapagpalinag.
Uy!
Okay.
Let's go. This time inbound.
Ano na
Rebound, rebound.
Good, good.
hold it.
No press.
Go, go, go.
Set up, set
Nice
up.
position now with the ball.
Push.
Good screen by.
Ay!
Good ball.
Take it back. Nice.
Go! Go, boy! Ay!
Hold it, hold.
Get back! Get it, boy!
Hands up. Hands up.
Good job, Ethan!
Nice try. Nice try.
Baseline inbound. Now we know the rules. You know the rules. No earrings, no necklace.
Wala pa eh.
Walang 5 minutes ah.
What?
Hands up.
Keep
Huh?
moving now still.
Oh.
Hands up.
Jaden Menezes throwing ball. Reverse. Reverse.
Rebound, rebound. Good!
Help, help, help. Help. Push. Shoot.
Yeah! Go, defense! Hands up!
Ball by number 8, Bryce Bertucci. First personal foul. Okay, switch players.
Hands up, Bryce, only.
Ah.
Switch.
Switch player.
Bryce, labas ka na, Bryce.
Okay, 6 versus 7.
Why do there's a bunch of players missing from their team?
Oh.
Oh, blue, too much there. Blue, too much.
Has it been 5 minutes?
So quiet.
Quiet eh. So quiet.
Parang pag nagmumili.
Parang may ghost kanina.
Go, Bryce, go!
Christmas bonus by Bryce Bertucci.
Mamaya may bonus ka, Bryce.
Rebound.
Yeah! Defense! Rebound! Go!
You know the rules.
Oh, no press. Okay.
Wait until you're 14 years old. Get this.
Ito kay
Boboy alive now. Going to the left. Nice play. Nice defense by blue.
Go, boy!
Let's see. Get that goal. You're gonna hold in here. Come on, Dave. Congratulations. We're going to make that 5. Okay, you're part of the medical flag for 13 to 14 years old. So this is Dave Alam. And also, he's the season MVP and right, back to the ball game. Yes, Dave.
Ay, kuya, kita mo ba?
Okay, win ball. Right, here we go. Jaden Vinicius now controlling.
Tee up, tee up!
Going to the right. Spin ball.
Go, 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 go! Good job!
This is blue ball, blue ball. Make sure you got 2 feet, 2 feet. The ball will now to the ball. Ball for 3. Good. Rebound.
Go, 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 go! Go, Triad! Ah, get back! Short! Go! Go all the way! Ah!
Jaden Vinicius.
Hands up!
Foul line number 10, Dominica Blue ball. Over now with the ball. Side to side with the ball. Kick out to Rice. Rice with the shooter. Step back.
Go! Up, straight up! Get in, boy! Get back, get back! Oh! Push! Push! Ay! Outside unneeded! Get back!
Score number 611 by Blue still. Over now, side to side with the ball. Good.
Rebound! That's your rebound! Boy, attack the basket! Right. There you go.
We have the ball, the ball.
Yeah! Go, defense! Go, travel!
To Lihazo. Lihazo. Francis, pull out. Yes.
Woo! Let's go!
The blue ball.
Blue ball! No press!
Right, ball now. Ball, quick ball, quick ball.
Let's go! Woo! Defense! Yep. Nice.
Foul by number 7, Axel Roma. 2 shots by Tom Cayetano.
Kasi nakaili na siya. That's why. Oo, pero mananay.
1 point.
Good job, Tom.
Now 1 point.
Help, help, help!
Ball. Going to the net. It also behind.
Rebound, rebound! Defense!
JD Benitez. Pull up. Rebound.
Rebound! Rebound! Go, Ted! Ay! 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 Get back, get back! Score, boy! Oh. Up! Ay! Yes!
Baseline inbound.
Ma! Ma! Ma!
There we go.
Ay, ay, ay.
Okay, rebound. Okay, pick up your check, pick up your check. JD Benitez now. Good pass.
Ah! Rebound! Woo!
JD Benitez now with the ball. Speed ball. That's the one.
Good D! Good D! Yes! Go, boy! Ay! Get back, get back, get back!
Another red person.
JD Benitez now with the ball. Tapping the pin. Nice fake. Francis.
Ah, boy!
There's foul in the ground. Foul by number 0, Purple Lions. Okay, switch players.
Yung isa pala si Ryan.
Let's go.
Yung isa naman, malambot yung... Good job to, boy. Boy, tama.
Rebound.
Hands up! Ay! G up, G up!
Christmas bonus by Cayetano.
Hands up, boy!
Second Christmas foul by Price Patricio. They get ready to rebound. Good ball. Third personal foul by Bryce Bertuccio.
Oh, tatlo na.
Tapos si Bryce?
Hands up on the Bryce.
Nicholas. Pull up.
Rebound! Go! Fine! Ah! Backboard! Ay! Fine! Come on, go! Come on, Jen! Yes!
Kneel down. Score now is 16-18 by Blue. Only 2 points.
Ah. Come on, Dance, make one.
One then.
Violation by Putin. Okay, correct. 2 shots again. Okay. 2 shots again.
Yes. One more, Dance.
Ready to rebound. One more free throw by. One more. Ready to rebound.
Short, short, short.
Red ball.
Let's go, Blue. Go, Ethan. Whee! Go, that's out. Take it. Whee! No foul, no foul.
Going to over attack to the left, back to the right. Brown, Blue.
Push. Push. Up. Yes. Defense. Bravo. Push, push. 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh.
Awal pakai pemain dan.
Napakahawakan mo na.
Right, back to the ball game.
D up, Blue, D up. D up.
Last 20 minutes. Julian Menendez. Julian. Side to blue play. One to the left. Whoops. Pull up. Rebound pass to the right.
Rebound.
Bryce Bertuccio now controlling the ball. Red with the ball, going to left, pull out. Number, rebound. Red position.
Nice. Straight up. Yeah.
Jaden Vinicius.
Straight up. Be up. Ah.
Goes out for that wing. Red position now, good with the ball. Red position, hand off the ball right there. Ball boy. Good ball.
Ah.
No press. Jaden Vinicius now with the ball. Nice pull out.
Rebound. Go. Yeah. Good job, boy.
Jaden Vinicius.
Hands up, hands up.
Nice pull in.
Go. Travel.
Just cut ball. Okay, this is Alright, there we go. Back position up and putting the ball. Hand off to Ball Boy. Ball Boy, Christopher Lina.
Ay! Get it out. Set it. There you go, again. Ay!
Foul by number. Squadron. Francis, the hold. Second personal foul by Francis. Vivian practice now. Going to right to Ball Boy. Ball Boy now to over. To Francisco.
Nice. Keep it! D up! Rebound! Go, boy! Woo! Up! Woo! Woo! Oh my goodness.
No press. Jaden Vinicius now for the ball.
D up! Push him left!
Scores 27-22.
Oh! Oh! Goodness.
Switch players, get it.
That should be a foul. That was a foul.
Okay, time is running. Get it. Let's go. Up to walk faster. Okay, blue ball. Red ball.
Get back! No press! Push him left, Blue Boy! Push him left!
Ball, number 0, ball boy left. Two shots by Jaden Vinicius. Second personal foul by left.
Rebound. Go, go, go. Get back. Yeah, good job, boy. Go. Come on, Ethan. Ay! Oh my God. Oh my God. Good D. Go. Yes. Yes. Okay, one more then.
Unit 3 ball.
Parang may anghel na tumama. Rebound, rebound. Woo! Should be 29. Okay, score na isa. 29.
Thank you. Should be 29. Should be 29.
30. 3-0.
Should be 30. One more.
One more.
One more.
Dapat 30 na. 3-1.
Kuya Joey. Kuya Joey.
Dia, boy. Push him left. Left side, left side. You gotta push him left.
Third personal foul by Bobo Elias.
Wala.
Ready to rebound.
Rebound that. Go, Jen. Ay, ay. No press. No press.
Number 16.
What was that?
Third personal foul by Julian Vinicius. Two shots by Elias.
31, not 30.
Thank you. Please, thank you.
No.
Good, good.
Boy, let's go. Make one.
You need to rebound.
Ah.
Julian Vinicius.
D up, D up. Push him left, boo boy. Push him left. Hands up. Yes. Let it go, let it go. Ay.
All right. Switch players. Go get it. Go get in. Go. Go time 20. Blue ball. Yeah, blue ball. Get in. And Jose. Jose.
Attack. Ay.
11, good one.
Sit up, sit up.
Okay, no press, no press. Good defense by Red.
Get it in there. Ay. Get it in there. Ay. Good job, Ethan. Go.
Kick out to Marquita. Back to Rice.
What?
Red ball.
Okay, D up, Blue. Hands up. Rebound. Let's go.
Handle to Prakita.
Oh.
Rebound by Red.
Get back, get back. Let's go, Blue. Go, Bryce, attack.
Bryce with the shoot. Ball. Reverse layup.
Straight up.
Rebound by Red.
Get back.
Score up is 30-27. Only 3 points by blue team. Catching up now. Right back to Bolton. 7 minutes and 36 seconds. Score is 30-27.
Blue ball. Let's go, Blue.
Let's see who's the winner. Gabriela on volleyball. Gabriela pick up from 3.
Rebound, rebound.
Rebound by
Hands up lang, Bryce. Hands up lang. Go! Hands up, hands up. Push him left. Hands up, hands up. Oh, shit. Grab it. No press. Attack, Bryce. Yes! Bravo! Go, attack!
Okay, blue ball. Gabriela again for 3.
Yeah! Let's go! Defense! D up, D up! Defense! Defense! Got it! Go! Go, Bryce!
Going to the right. Attacking the paint. Rhea.
Yeah! Let's go! Defense! D up! Defense! 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 Hands up! Hands up!
Foul by number 11. All right. Last 5 minutes. It's good position now. It's good position. Anyone to play? It's good position. Push up by Monica. Push
Ay, dito. Ay, dito. Ma.
Foul by number
Dito mo
13.
dito.
Results. Third personal foul by number 13, Lihazo. Two shots.
Yes! One more, Jen!
36-34, Daru. They're ready to rebound.
Rebound, rebound.
Violation. Red ball.
Huh?
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Huh?
Let's see this one. And the championship game.
G up, Lou! G up! Defense! Rebound! Go, boy! Attack! Oh! Defense! 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 Push it left! Yes! Blue ball! Boy, you gotta push him left. Okay, boys, you gotta back up, back up, back up. D up, guys, defense! Let's go, boy!
What we now do, come on, quick to the left.
Hey! Straight up! Hey! Oh my God! Defense! D up! D up! Get it, boy! Get up! Good D! He hit him in the face! He got hit in the face!
Okay, stop. Fourth personal foul by Bumboy Elias. Fourth. Okay, red ball.
Push him left. Boy, push him left. Left.
3 minutes is now to
Grab it! Ah, yes! Come on, Jen. Boy, play smart! Play smart, boy! Guys, no fouls!
Maybe the previous
Bakit?
Sabi nung nata sa daddy niya kahit sila
I'm blue. Diop, Diop! Get it! Rebound! Get it! Yes.
This is overtime.
Bahala ka. Sige ka.
Because yellow got extra 30 seconds.
Last free throw. Rebound.
Oh no. Let it go, let it go. Go boy! Oh! Diop! Hands up! Fouled out. Fouled out. Oh, kala ko bubuhay.
Five over lies. Okay, 2 shots by JD Vinicius.
Wait,
Anong gagawin mo?
di ba dapat pag pumunta na ang coach, dapat sub out? Diba? But the coach went, so she should be subbed out.
2 shots.
Right? The coach was on the Wala. Let's go, Bryce! Push it, Bryce! Push! Push! Down! Diop! Go! Push!
Okay, red ball. JD Vinicius now.
Diop! Get it, get it, get it! Push! those